Hey guys, we are going for a walk today, for a little hike in the woods, down the road, and I'm going to take you along. The first thing I do before we go out is pack everybody a lunch. It gets really expensive if we eat out, and we go out a lot, you know, either to the playground or to visit family, so I always try to pack a lunch and eat it there wherever we're going. Also, if we're going out, and I know we're going to be out for a while and there's an opportunity to get some work done, I pack backpacks with their lunch boxes and Miette's learning folder. It just has some easy worksheets for her to do for a review. Huh? Kids, you can't take your stuff. We're still on the blue trail. There's my trail. Still on the blue. So we all have walking sticks. We all found some walking sticks, didn't we? With yours, Miette's up there with hers. Oh, Miss Martha too. And her little map. Huh? Come here. Let me hold your map. Excuse me, can I see it? Let me see it. We have like a little orange fruit that hangs in a tree after frost. The name comes from a Algonquian word. I can't say that. How'd you build?
Something.
Is that your fort?
It's going to be more bigger.
Cool. We went and took our nature walk and then visit my sister. And then when we got home, we still had a couple things we didn't do over there. So Marley just had a couple coloring to do. Miette had like 2 or 3 worksheets that was on my lesson plan for the day that I figured we could just hurry up and get through. So she went to Tangier Island with her great-grandmother, so I just taped the map in there and her ticket for the boat. And she's just going to write 1 or 2 sentences about her trip over there just to keep in her journal.